Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. So let's get into it. First of all, launch the Snapchat app. Tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner of the camera screen. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap Bitmoji. On the next screen, tap on Unlink My Bitmoji at the bottom. Select Remove on the dialog box to confirm. If you created a Bitmoji through Snapchat, unlinking will permanently delete your Bitmoji avatar and all the fashion items saved in your closet. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.